So this set is a little bit different, but the base layer is the same method I used on the other nails that this question is about. I start with a generous layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area to minimize cleanup and protect the skin from gel as best as possible. Then we're going to use this Amingo Grad gel. This stuff is literally made for doing ombre work, so it makes it super easy. I painted a layer around the border of the nail with a stripey brush, and then I use a sponge to fade it out towards the middle. On the other set of nails, I used a little bit less so that it was a little lighter. This set is a bit darker than that one. And then I also went in with a little bit of black pigment powder and a brush to make the whole nail a little bit smokier looking. But yeah, that's pretty much the only difference. The only thing with this method is that you just have to be careful of which angle you're using your sponge so that you don't accidentally put the part of the sponge that has picked up most of that color towards the middle. You want that to stay on the perimeter of the nail. And then for this particular set, I cured that, removed the liquid latex, and then I applied a layer of the Daily Charm Chrome Effect gel. Go ahead and cure that, and then I used these Vetsy mermaid powders. I tried the purple one and the green one, and it was so hard to decide which one I liked best, but ultimately I went with the purple. And for whatever reason, I didn't record myself doing the top coat, but I did do that, so don't forget that step. And as usual, always remember to file the free edge whenever you're doing chrome over the whole nail before you top coat, and cap the edge. That's going to encapsulate that dust in there better so that it doesn't chip later. But yeah, here's the end result. I love them.